Happy 4th, everyone. Now let's get this vlog started. I'm gonna get a shower real quick. Mainly because of this. Yeah, I don't like my hair looking like that. Yes. Okay. I'm feeling so much better now. Time to work out. I'm digging these new shoes. But this is the first time I've worn these. I'm digging them.
Please make your way to the front desk or ask to enter.
It's really awesome to be a Black Card member. I'm gonna use their massage bed thing. Oh, that's what I'm trying to say, the hydro massage. That feels kind of good. That massage bed was freaking cool. My back feels great, you guys. I did some ab crunches for about 10 minutes. Let's say I'm hurting pretty bad right now. But if I want to lose the gut, that's what I gotta do. And probably get back into what I used to do, which was taking multivitamins, cutting my calorie intake down to 1,500, and just overall working out. If you guys want to see some serious results, that's all you got to do. Cut down to the bare minimal of what your body needs to survive and not go into survival mode. Take multivitamins, that way your body has it. And essentially what your body says is, oh, I really don't need this. And next thing you know, like me, and like my friend who showed me, you've lost like 50 or 60 pounds in like 5 months. But it's not a crash diet, you just gotta seriously watch on it. But we are gonna go back to the boat. We'll see what the rest of this 4th of July has in store. Let's do it. Every single time we got rain. Well, you guys, since I made my banjo echo. Well, you guys, now that we are back at the boat and away from Planet Fitness, we are gonna do some fishing before the fireworks happen. I have a little bit of bait, not a whole lot, but it should make the time go by faster. These bait nabbers are gonna have a really hard time getting this hot dog off, mainly because it's thick. With the treble hook that I got, it should stay on there for the most part. Now time to play the waiting game. You know, as I'm sitting here waiting on a bite, has anyone started watching the new season of Stranger Things? I've been meaning to watch it. I've got a Netflix account. My data is just kind of slow at the moment. But in the comments below, you guys, that's embarrassing. In the comments, you guys, let me know how the season is so far. I'd love to know, because probably around tomorrow I'm probably gonna watch it. Looking forward to it. Yay, it finally stopped raining. Or at least on that side. Florida, why you always gotta be raining? Where your chill at though? I have a good feeling that Something has gotten my hook. And I was right. Well, that's probably going to be my last fishing video for just a little while. I kind of wish I knew a little bit more about driving my boat. Otherwise, tonight it would be fun if we could go out to the middle of the main channel in the St. Johns River and just watch fireworks. But I'm still rather new. But we're still going to turn it on for about 30 minutes just to charge the batteries up. Fun. For anyone who is curious, that is Captain Jack. He is the one who I will hopefully be going to for my sail lessons or my sailing lessons. But in the meantime, I hope it's nothing serious. I think maybe it's just because my boat hasn't been run in about 4 or 5 days. But I mean, it just smelled like something was burning in the galley. But I'll keep you all posted. We got fireworks. Cool. Anyway, as I was saying, you guys, I figured we'd walk along the dock first and catch a few fireworks before we actually go up on the bridge and get a glimpse of some more. Happy 4th of July, everyone. The birth of this nation. Long story short, you guys, we got rained out. I think it was around 11 o'clock that everything hit, and I went down here in my V-berth and I took a nap. Then I woke up, felt rejuvenated, then everything was quiet. But dude, It was absolutely crazy. Fireworks were going off in a 360-degree angle. They were coming off from everywhere, and it was beautiful. I mean, I wish I'd managed to get up on the bridge to just like check it out, but the rain was just getting too bad, you guys. But still, it was amazing. Dude, this is an awesome 4th of July weekend. So, having said that, today was good. Got myself a workout in. I am proud to be a Black Card member of Planet Fitness. You guys, if you all have the chance, and you all are a Planet Fitness member, go the distance and just spend that extra $11. You will not be sorry. You get to use a hydraulic massager. You also get use another massage machine. You get to use a sauna. I mean, dude, it's like everything. You get like everything when you are a Black Card member. Check that out. You will not be sorry. So, today has been good. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Vlog 73 of my experience here in Florida has been good. I don't think anything is super serious with my boat, the boat engine. I think maybe it's just because I haven't run it in a few days, and maybe that's just like, you know, like, I guess like diesel just building up in the galley. But tomorrow we're gonna work on it again, and hopefully we'll get it figured out. So, this is my vlog for the day, guys. Remember, subscribe and hit the bell icon. That will put you in for a drawing to win that will put you in for a drawing to win a $50 Walmart gift card, as well as the first ever Dream Poet t-shirt. But there's more. You also have 2 additional chances to win 2 other t-shirts you can win, as well as 2 framed photos of mine that I will never produce again. Keep up with me at Dream Poet at Facebook, as well as my Instagram and the links below. Thank you all for the love and support. I love you all very much. Happy 4th, you guys.